I'm very grateful to all the team of Speed, without whom this would not have been possible. I feel very happy and exhilarated actually, but I was also quite content because I knew that this rank was coming because of the preparation that I've had with Speed. So I feel very content.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute for Ahfaaz Mujawar for scoring a topmost rank of AML 4 and CML 4 in MCh cardiothoracic and vascular surgery in NEET April 2026 session. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. It means a lot for me coming from you. I'm very grateful to all the team of Speed, without whom this would not have been possible. I feel very happy and exhilarated actually, but I was also quite content because I knew that this rank was coming because of the preparation that I've had with Speed. So I feel very content. Thank you.
Amazing words, wonderful words. So can we know a brief background about yours from where you started till date, what all you have done? Kind of
Yes,
time.
sir. So I come from a small place in Karnataka called Gadag. From there, I did my MBBS from Government Medical College in Shimoga, also in Karnataka. Then I completed my MS in Lady Harding Medical College in New Delhi, and I pursued this examination because I wanted to be a CTVS surgeon, sir.
Very good, very good. When did you decide?
Sir, actually, I made the decision during my school days itself, sir. So when I was in ninth standard, I actually lost my father due to a heart attack.
Sorry.
So I think that was the turning point for me. And that is when I had decided that I'll become a cardiac surgeon. And after 12 years, after making that decision, here I am, sir.
Very good, very good. Excellent. So cardiac
So,
surgeons are
yes, sir.
even before
So,
MBBS.
yes, sir. More than a dream, I believe that this is my destiny. This is my purpose
Yeah.
to become a cardiac surgeon and to make sure that others do not face what I have faced in my life. So
Very,
that is my main motivation, sir.
very true, very true, very true. Excellent, excellent. Doctor, once you decided to become a cardiothoracic surgeon, what you did to achieve this topmost rank?
So after completing my MS, I looked for sources how I could prepare for this examination. And out of that, I found Speed the most appropriate one. It had all the content I needed, especially Dr. Arun sir. His classes were amazing. He laid everything on a red carpet for us. His notes were very crisp and concise. I made the notes in 1 month. I completed the entire notes. And then I used to give MCQs on the app every single day without fail. And then also GTs weekly. And also I used to listen to your strategy videos, which I found very helpful. You used to strategize how what I should do in this 1 month, then the 1 week strategy videos, the 3 day strategy videos. So I found them very helpful. So I did not have to use my brain at all. I just trusted you blindly and I followed whatever advice you gave. And I found it very helpful, sir. It was literally spoon feeding for me. It made my journey very easy.
Thank you, Doctor.
So I thank you very much for that.
Wonderful words. Thank you. Thank you. How many questions did you attend this exam?
So I attended almost all, so 79 questions I attempted. I just left one question.
Okay. What will be advice for the future aspirants who want to do MCh CTVS?
So all I want to say is don't let others decide what branch is better for you. Sometimes you do not have to use your brain. All you have to do is listen to your heart and do whatever your heart wants you to do. And of course, you have to be delusional, and Delulu is the only solution, I'd say. So you have to be delusional. You have to believe in yourself. You have to trust the process, and patience is the most important thing. You have to be very patient. And finally, I think all dreams come true if you work for them.
Great. Great.
Yeah.
Time to thank and whom all you want to thank from day one till day two I will do to achieve what you today.
Yes, sir. First of all, I'd like to thank the Almighty, sir, without whom it would not have been possible, for his blessings. I'd like to remember my late father, and I hope I will become half a man he was. I'd like to thank the entire Speed team, Arun sir, for his incredible notes, and as also the stage 2 interview, mock interview that he held. That was very helpful. And yourself, sir, for your strategy and everything. Very grateful. And I'd like to thank my family, my mother, who's been my biggest strength, my sister, my wife, sir, my grandparents, my mama, nanu, who have been incredibly supportive. All my relatives, sir, my everyone, my in-laws, my all chachas and everyone, and all my professors, especially my professors, my Dr. Arif, who was HOD at my UG college, and Dr. Manoj Andle, who is HOD here in SIMS, and uh, Dr. Ramesh Lal, Dr. Deborsi, Dr. Nikhil, Dr. Ejaz, Dr. Saurabh, and Dr. Pawan, Dr. Saha, everyone, sir, who've been amazing, amazing surgeons and even better human beings. So they've been extremely supportive. So I'm very lucky to have them. And I also would like to thank my seniors, uh, my SRs, and my juniors, and my dearest co-PG, sir, without whom this journey would not have been possible. I'm truly blessed to have been surrounded by the best people, sir. And I thank everyone. I'm very grateful, sir.
Can you repeat that? Can you
It's too
repeat
long.
that truly?
Yeah, I'm truly grateful to be blessed to be surrounded by all these wonderful people in my life, sir, in this journey.
Oh, what a quote. I'm truly blessed to be surrounded by the wonderful people
Yes, sir.
around me. Huh?
Yes, sir. Without whom nothing would have been possible, sir.
Chà, what a statement. That's good. That's truth. That's the truth.
Yes, sir.
Very good, actually. It was very heartfelt. Your interview was very, very heartfelt.
Thank you so much, sir.
And a lot of love and a lot of gratitude, a lot of affection. So much. This interview, the people watching this interview will feel all that.
Thank you so much, sir. It means a lot for me.
Yeah, that's how it has to be. Anything that we do heartfully. Let it be an interview, let it be a class, let it be exam, let it be a surgery, whatever it is, do it heartfully.
Yes, sir.
You are that kind of a person, and I wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and a wonderful career in cardiothoracic and vascular surgery. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.